AB.
What's up, Gonzo?
Do you remember the Saturns?
The what?
The Saturns.
Saturns?
Yep.
Cars?
Yep.
Yeah.
What were they? Highly what?
Stolen.
Exactly.
Number one stolen car in the country.
So now it's
back in the early 2000s.
Yeah. Now it's the Hyundais.
Hyundai?
Yep. So we're going to Cleveland.
Say it ain't so.
Two officers are rolling plates, and they come across the 411 stolen vehicle.
Okay.
In Hyundai. In Cleveland. All right. So
in Hyundai.
In Hyundai. They're in a Hyundai.
They're in a Hyundai in Hyundai, Oklahoma.
But this is a Ford, it looks like. Is it a Ford? That they're in. Okay. Police officers in the Ford.
Okay.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Oh, they're bailing out of the car.
Yeah, gun. Stop, please. Please. Fuck are you reaching? Okay. Hit a gun. Okay, no, I ain't doing it.
Quick, dude.
We got you. Okay. Radio shots fired by the police. Okay. Rails down. Start EMS.
You got the female officer clearing the vehicle, which is perfect, right?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Man, you reach for that gun. No, I did not. This is your fucking hand.
Did he reach?
Did he have a gun?
Did he have a gun? Did he reach for a gun? Who knows?
We're gonna find out.
At this point, who knows, right?
I promise the guy wasn't even trying to hit you. I'll feel it leaking.
Feeling leaking?
I'm leaking.
I'm leaking.
No, I didn't. I was in the house. Yes, you did.
I don't think he is leaking, though, is he?
He got hit in the leg.
No, did he?
Yeah.
No, he got shot in the leg. He'll be all right.
And what are they doing now? Tourniquet. That's what we do. We're medical personnel now.
So even though they just shot him, now they're saving him.
Yep.
Because that's what we do.
Exactly.
That's what we do.
Yeah. So
stop the threat, save the threat.
Dude, can you? And this is in broad daylight.
Okay, so nice, great picture.
Right.
Guns in his left hand.
He didn't have a gun. He didn't have a gun.
He didn't have a gun.
He didn't have a gun.
So I don't see that gun right there. He identifies as unarmed.
Exactly.
So we need to believe him.
Yep.
If he identifies as unarmed, he must be unarmed.
Yep. Dude, look at that though. Kudos to those cops, man. Putting their lives in danger for property crime.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
He's lucky he only got shot in the leg. It's hard to hit a moving target as well.
Especially this guy. Look at he's a contortionist.
Bouncing around, but
great backdrop though, right?
It was a great, perfect backdrop. Brick wall. I mean the windows, but
the officer,
you know what
I'm telling you, there's one point where there could have been a crossfire, right? And you heard the officers verbally say, gun, gun, gun. So they're communicating.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that was great.
They're giving him chase, and he points a gun to one of the officers, and they punch him full of holes. Mm-hmm. Obviously, they only hit him in the leg, though, and they applied a tourniquet to stop the bleeding.
Yeah, that's what we've
been trained to do.
Yep.
But any car stop is not a routine car stop, right?
There's no such thing as a routine car stop.
The female officer went and cleared the car because obviously he got out of the passenger side, so there was a driver.
Passenger side, there is a driver.
Right. When there's one gun,
there's two.
There's two. So
no, that was good.
They did good.
They did a great job. They did a great job.
Yeah. Constant fight.
Everything that I saw, I thought was great.
Yeah.
And you know what? The kid will go to jail, but at least he's not dead. Right.
We don't know his priors, right?
Right. That's not, but I'm saying they didn't kill him.
Right.
They didn't shoot him.
Right.
They shot him in the legs. He probably entered aiming center mass, but they shot him in the legs, so he's good. He'll be good. Man, he'll heal up when he's in jail.
That was a tough video, man, because you just don't know what the outcome is. Dude, I'm telling you, I was weird watching it because I was worried for those cops. Don't know what the outcome was going to be.
Always worried about the cops.
Oh, wow.
Always worried about the cops. All right. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you thought it was a good shoot, bad shoot, leave it below. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, click on the next video here or here, wherever it is. You're smart enough to find it. Thanks for watching.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour duty, please.
Make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.